Hello guys, Andre Lizama here. Today I'm going to attempt to fix my Sony 40-inch KDL-40XBR9 1080p HDTV. I've had this TV since 2008 and just recently the board went on the TV. This is actually my second time changing out the board. The last one that I had lasted, I'd say, for maybe about 4 years, but recently it just went. So I'll just show you quickly what the problem with the television is. So if I turn it on, you can see the Sony light comes on the television, but nothing comes on the screen. No display, no anything. So typically in most cases what happens is the board goes bad on this TV. So changing out the main board on the TV is a fairly easy process. So right here, I ordered the board. I just got it off of eBay. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to change the board, swap out the old board, put in the new one, and hopefully if this is successful, the TV will work again. Okay, so let's get started. So really quick, that's the model number of the TV. It's a Sony model number KDL-40XBR9. Date of manufacturer of this television is October 2009, so TV is almost 10 years old. You can see it has 2 component video inputs, 1 Toslink audio output, a LAN port, USB port. Now I'll scroll over to the side. Okay, so the right side, here, this television has a total of 4 HDMI inputs, a VGA input right here for PC, an S-video input, regular RCA, standard video, audio left, audio right input. It has 2 USB inputs, one right at the side here, and one at the back right there next to the LAN port. Okay, so now I get to work on taking the old board out and putting the new board in. Okay, so for obvious reasons, of course, I would recommend just using a standard Phillips head screwdriver. So you just gotta remove all the screws on the back panel just to get the back panel off of the television. So 3 screws off at the side. Those are the first ones you gotta take off. I'm now gonna take off the one right next to the LAN and the USB port at the back of the television. Two more screws at the back top. I'm gonna remove those 2 next. Next up, we'll remove the 3 screws at the side. On the left side of the television. Alright, there's another screw right by the bottom by the power supply, where the power supply plugs in, that you also have to remove. Okay, there's also 4 more right by the stand that you also have to remove. So I'll just zoom out on all 4 real quick so you can get a look. Okay, 2 more screws have to be removed. So, right by the little opening with the power supply, right above that, has this little arrow on it, as you can see right there. Just make sure you take out those 2 as well. 2 more at the bottom have to also be removed. Near the bottom of the TV, there's also 2 more screws that you have to take out near the stand. So one right there, and one on the other side. At last, I got the back panel of the TV off. So now the board's accessible. So I'll turn the light on my camera real quick so you can get a better look. Okay. So on the other side of it, I believe that this is the power supply board. But in most cases, what actually goes wrong is this board. So now I'm going to open up the new board and change it out. Okay, so here it is. Here's the new board. I ordered it off of eBay. I had to search for the specific model number. So now I'm going to open it up. This came from Electro Parts Online. There's their phone number and information. Okay, so looks like we did get the right part. So there's the new board and the old board of the television side by side. Okay, so now I'm going to take the old one out and put the new one in. So first thing you probably have to do is unscrew the board for the TV. So there's more screws to take out. So you gotta remove those four and basically unplug all the little connectors. There's the first one. There's the second one. Let me try to get that out. Okay, this one right here. I'll try the top first. Pretty easy. Got that out. There's a little data cable going from the TV into the board right here, so I'm going to take that out. That'll just come right off. And there should just be one more pin to get off. Lift that up right there, and it should just pull out. There we go. Now we can just unscrew the board, which I'll do in a second. It's pretty self-explanatory. 6 screws, 2 at the top, 3 there, 1, 2, 3, and 2 at the bottom. Okay, all boards removed. New board's right here. Okay. Now basically what you do is you just do the opposite. Now you just go back and re-screw everything in. Okay, new board's in. One thing I forgot to tell you guys, there's a little panel at the side. Little I/O shield. Just gotta basically put that on there. No big deal. Now, the other part is just basically reconnect everything. Most of the connections are pretty much common sense. It's not really hard or complicated to do. Pretty much figure out where everything goes just by even looking at it. That's it. Board's in. Back in place. Now, basically just screw on the cover again. Pull all the screws back. Do the opposite of what you do to take it out. Now for the moment of truth. Ah, and it works. So we see this definitely was 100% the board. TV works now. So as you can clearly see, it works again. So now the TV is fully working again, and as you can see, it actually does have a few apps. I can't believe I had this TV for all this time and never used the network settings. But I'm just seeing the channels that it has. Wild TV, Weather Station, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video.
Thanks for joining us here at Weather Nation. We want to get you updated on what's happening around the country, of course, because it is Easter Sunday. It's also Passover as well, so I know a lot of people are wondering what it's going to be like today.
Yeah, and if you have plans to be outdoors, especially across the entire southern tier of the country, conditions will be holding up fairly nicely today, but we are going to talk about some warm temperatures and also a slight chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms. So let's get the folks updated what's been going on Viper Doppler radar over the last couple of hours. We're taking a nice broad view of the